Alright, today I'm at Long's house. He got a bunch of parts from GrimmSpeed, one of his sponsors, and we're going to install. Steven's here. That's Steven over there with his loud car as I'm trying to do the intro to the video. I'll wait till he turns it off. But it sounds nice, right? As I was saying, yeah, we have some parts here from GrimmSpeed, and Long's decided to do the intake today. So he's got a Cobb intake right now, right?
Yep.
We're gonna get that thing out of there, and then we're gonna put in the GrimmSpeed on his WRX hatch.
WRX hatch.
What year is this one?
2011.
2011. All right. These guys will, I think, be replacing what he's got in there already. How long ago did you get this tuned for all this?
I'm on the OTS tune right now.
Okay.
Top OTS tune. I know, the devil. Works fine for me.
JDM. Some window visors.
Knew it.
A Cobb Flex kit.
Ooh.
Ooh la la.
Be running some corn.
Subaru Blue.
Oh, sorry.
No, you got it. It's good. It's good.
Oh, Subaru Blue, official OEM coolant.
Childproof. Can't get it open. Long. We need We need an adult.
Be an adult. Do something. Drain in there somehow.
Alright, I'll come back. Let me know. Let me know if it goes in. Well, while we were screwing around with Steven, Long finished getting the Cobb.
What?
Said while we were screwing around with Steven over here, I didn't even realize Long got the Cobb intake out, so he's gonna put the GrimmSpeed in now.
Shout out to the guys at GrimmSpeed for the great packaging. They sign each and every single one that they package.
This box. Hold on.
Sorry.
The master fuel sensor. Put that on the new one.
The air filter has a velocity.
You put the pipe in the filter.
Why you no go front mount?
Turbo.
Oh yeah, that's right. It affects the EJ way more than mine.
Too much lag.
Yeah.
It's time we go to the internets to find out why or how. We're men. We don't ask for instructions, right?
This is why, when you're an amateur, do it the right way. Figure out what you have to do before you do it.
Hey, look, it's burping. According to the forum here. Oh, doing it right after all. Is it like sticking to the material? Is that why it's not going in, or is it just so tight?
It's just 90-degree turn. The inside edge and the outside edge were not cooperating.
Try this hole here. Great.
Oh man.
Let's once it's fixed, I'll come
I
back.
think we're gonna edit that one out. Take it all apart. Put the seam on the bottom, he says.
I'll see, now the hole's nice. There you go.
I'm going to show you.
He's able to get his tube through it. I know, right? In the YouTube tutorial, it always just like falls right in, right? And then when you go, you're like wrestling with it for half an hour. So what was jamming it up?
What is this? Power steering line, right here.
Where?
Right here.
That one. Okay.
The flange on the box is catching it here, so,
So you just have to
once
like,
you angle it this way, go underneath it, the front falls in. There we are.
Long's getting his Instagram pictures.